Chiquinha, chiquinha,
Go check out the room.
chiquinha,
Okay, I'm the content creator for this channel. If you like what I'm doing, just subscribe and hit the like button. Okay, this is the Miami hotel, and I really like this place. I've stayed here before. I've actually filmed before, but I think at that time it was maybe about a year ago. Probably hardly had any viewers. But I'm just going to show it one more time. This is funny. This guy's been painting across here, so he has this ladder that's been, he just kind of moved it all the way down. I hope he doesn't keep going up. Yeah, it looks like he's going to keep going up, so he's painting all the walls, and he will probably go up to the next floor, that yellow floor next, and start painting the top part. But anyways, I'm pretty amazed. Man, if he falls, he's, man. Anyways, this is the Miami hotel, so you can see the pool and just kind of what it looks like. And I'm staying in Bangkok right now, so you're going to see some videos with Bangkok. This is a Miami hotel. Really like this place a lot. Got a safe in here, kind of Art Deco kind of bathroom. I don't know if you can see that with all the lights on. There you go. Pretty basic in some ways. One floating mosquito that I can't seem to kill yet. But I'm gonna go out in the hallway and show you what it looks like out there. Once I turn off the light, which I guess is over. Where did that light go? Where'd that go? Oh, here they are. All right, so we'll come back here later. So this is the cool looking hallway, very Art Deco, Miami style. And we're gonna be overlooking that pool in a second. Man, that colors look beautiful. So there's our water. There's our painter up there too. Don't want to disturb him at all. Can go down these stairs as well. But I'm just gonna follow it around, and we're gonna head on out of the building. And I'll show you what it looks like in the process. They're doing some construction right now. These rooms are open, and I can see that they're basically putting in new beds and new everything. So let's see what this window looks like. This is outside. This is basically Sukhumvit 11, I think it is. This is the back side. We're gonna come out front side. So let's just see. Here's the pool again. So my room is one of these ones. I think my windows are all wide open, so it must be one of those two. Well, I guess he painted, I guess he has to paint all these too. I wonder how he's going to do that inside. Well, anyways. Could go down the elevator, but I'm going to choose the other way. So yeah, Miami hotel. It's about $50 a night, but it's prime time right now too. So let's see. I stayed here about a year ago, and I put one of my books in here. So I'm just curious if it's still here. Probably not. The fact that it's not is probably good. Okay, we're gonna keep on going. Hello. And you kind of go right into the street from here. And I'm going to go to a Mexican restaurant that I really like as well. Alright, we're in the streets of Bangkok again. So I'm going to go to this one, Margarita Storm. I just kind of go this way. So there it is right there, Margarita Storm. I'm going to shut off the camera. Oops. There it is. Next to the Hyatt. There we go. There's the Skyway right there. BTS. Miami Hotel right there. Margarita Storm, so Mexican restaurant. Miami Hotel right down that way. BTS. station. I think that's Asok.
Chiquinha, chiquinha, toma cuidado da bovidinha.